you can watch my phone doesn't work. You can watch my phone doesn't work. It's really bad news for me, because right now I haven't money to buy new phone. I run YouTube channel, Facebook page, groups and Facebook by this smartphone. At this moment it's unusable. It doesn't work properly. When I use it, then I lost my temperature. Then I reckon I'll break it. This is why I don't use it all the time. Or if I use it, I'll break it in no time. That's why I try to control myself, because I don't use it. So I'm in a big problem. I cannot buy new smartphone because I haven't money. I wanted money for my uncle. He responds to me. He couldn't give me some money. He won't be able to give me money to buy new phone. Then he responds. He said me to ask to my another uncle, means small uncle. So right now I'm in a big problem. So I'm thinking of buying new phone, and inshallah in no time I'll buy a new phone. Pay for me for that. I can buy a new phone, as well as I can do my each work. In a nutshell, let me know how are you feeling to watch my video. If you have any questions, please put on your questions on comment section. I'll answer all questions. Thank you very much for asking me as well as watching me.